कसं असं सांगतोय तो It's amusement. Sweet corn. It's sweet corn. It's sweet corn. I don't know. No problem. Goodness. It's filling the air. It's very coming. Oh, nice. Now people are ready to come and jump on that. नाही नाही आता खायचं गाडीने पोट फुगते रे तिथं जेव की आहे सुरुवात केला वाटतं आता सुरुवात केला वाटतं त्यांनी बसवायला मोकळच फिरवायला ट्रायल करायचं काय किती विचारले जरा बसायला लागते स्वस्तात आहे आणि किती राऊंड फिरवतोय चला 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 10 राऊंड फिरवत नाही काय सुरुवात आहे ना आता पहिलं 10 राऊंड मारा की 10 राऊंड मारा की दादा 10 राऊंड मारा की
पहिली बोली तुमची 10 राऊंड
प्लीज मी आलो लंडनवर
स्टेशन नाही खरं पासपोर्ट
तिकीट काढतो लगेच
10 राऊंड रिक्वेस्ट करा की प्लीज
फोन करून सांगा ना मग त्यात बसायला पैसे जमल्यात पण आलाय
त्याच जागा आहे काय आपण भरूया ना
आपल्या गावात कुरुंदवाडच्या मुलं
का बसायचं का नाही
बसायचं आहे खरं आपल्याबरोबर
नेगोशिएट माझं रेकॉर्डिंग करणं
Now we are moving on this giant wheel. We just paid 60 pence.
It's just like
It costs us £1 60p.
no £1.60.
फिर बोल
Now you can see that we stayed in it. Now we tried to negotiate with him, like we requested him to play like 10 rounds, but he didn't listen to us. He said like only 6 rounds will go on until both. Now we are holding the key of the Carnival shops. It's gonna be super, super duper adrenaline rush. And this is our operator. He just comes down. Exactly. He said like he is giving a good service. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. He also speaks English. Yeah. Now he's so happy we are boarding on this giant wheel. The whole wheel is empty. We're gonna board on one of these. Are you from Kerala? Okay. Nice. Maharashtra. Yeah.
कोल्हापूर.
Your state has 100% literacy. Your state, Kerala, is 100% literacy. Are you from? Meerut. Meerut. Oh, he's from? He's saying like he's from Kerala. Now we are falling over. Come on, get on. Let him get in.
तो 2 आदमी रहेगा.
नाही तिकडे मग
दादा मी तुझ्याकडे बसतो ना एवढे काय इंग्लिश झाडालय मला
हे बसा दादा.
दादा पाय
हो दादा बॅलन्स होतो.
बसत नाही का? ठीक आहे. चालेल. जरा आम्ही व्हिडिओ काढावं.
पतली झाली का नाही
मध्ये वगैरे बसवतो. व्यवस्थित घेऊ इथे. खाली बसवायला बोलतो. No, hey, I don't know. But now my baby, like, record this, record that. You see that small, like shops. We're gonna visit them or at these shops. You can see it, how gimmicky and crazy the shops are. There's gonna be like small things the people are gonna buy, like fake necklace or some amusement activities or some eatery, some foods and all. Wow, what a massive giant whale. We have pulled it on. It's really nice. And look at that, another operator.
मसाला वाढतोय.
This is our second round. Wow. It comes with a like 360 view. And now they just assembled this thing and they started, and this is one of the first round they started it. So you can see it's 360 degree city view. This is the panoramic city view. What a view. You can see the other, what do we call this? You call this like in slanted. Yeah, no, it's slanted. Yeah. Look at this lightings. The people are just walking.
Break dance and
Yeah, we call that break dance.
other small 1 to 8 years children's small
Amusement activity.
amusement activities here.
Hello.
Congratulations.
We're getting to sit down, right? Huh? Thank you so much. It's our third round. We started it. Again, you can see that on the other side, on the left side of us, the camera side, on the right side, you can see the whole city is lighting up with the lights. And this area is covered with small shops with the lights embezzled. And if you look around on the